Hey there, Bear fam. Welcome to another episode of Bear Thoughts. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and while it's often associated with romantic gestures, it's the perfect opportunity to celebrate all forms of love. Whether that's with a partner, your best friends, sisters, with a pet, or even just yourself. You don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a great date. This day of love doesn't have to be about grand declarations or expensive gifts. Sometimes, the best moments are the simple ones spent together. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion like Valentine's Day or enjoying quality time with your partner, we have creative date ideas that are kind to your wallet and the environment. So, here are some date ideas that we put together to show you that you don't have to break the bank to have a memorable time together. The first idea is to just have a nice picnic in the park. You can never go wrong with a classic low-cost date that's super relaxing. Pack a picnic with your favorite snacks and knickknacks. Use reusable containers, cloth napkins, and a picnic blanket, skipping on all the plastic cutlery. Head to a park close by, spread your blanket out, and enjoy each other's company in the midst of nature. And speaking of nature, you can always go on a nature hike. A hike or a trek through a nature reserve is the perfect way to connect with each other and the earth. Hiking is a great way to soak in on some fresh air, exercise, and appreciate the beauty of the outdoors. Spending time in nature can strengthen your bond together. And when you go, leave no trace behind. Carry everything you need to minimize your environmental impact. And with that, we come to learning together. Get creative together by signing up for a cooking class or a pottery class or an art class. Many centers now offer affordable sessions where you can partner with your special someone and create something meaningful. It's fun, it's hands-on, and you're choosing to support a small business while you're at it. And then we have visiting a thrift store or a flea market. Exploring thrift stores and flea markets together is another sustainable way to shop instead of heading to your local mall. You're highly likely to find something unique and something vintage that would totally be everlasting memorabilia of your day. And then you can also consider reading together. Recommend your favorite book to each other and spend a day together just reading. It's a meaningful way to connect with each other, sharing reviews and thoughts, making for a deeply intellectually stimulating conversation too. And then, y'all can volunteer for a cause you both care about. Volunteering for a common cause is a meaningful way to spend time together while also doing something positive for the planet and the people in need. You can do multiple volunteering activities such as planting trees, cleaning up a local park, helping out at an animal shelter. It's just a wonderful bonding experience and a chance at making a real difference. And for something fun, you can always have a dinner date at home. Skip the takeout and the fancy dinner reservation to cook a meal together. And to make it more fun, do it using locally sourced seasonal ingredients, which would lower your carbon footprint. It's a fun experience which would also be much cheaper than dining out. Set up your table with some candles and some flowers and have yourself a special date night. And for something that's outdoors, you can consider a walking tour through the city. Guided walking tours are a great way to explore a city and the various facets it has to it. Walking is also an eco-friendly experience and it allows you to see new places from a different perspective. It's a great way to spend time together and learn something about a city that you both inhabit, finding new stories to add to your own. And back to something that's more intimate and at home is to create a DIY spa at home. Pamper yourselves with a spa experience at home and don't be intimidated by it. Actually, we've put together a simple foot care routine that will allow you both to do your own pedicure at home. For a rejuvenating foot care routine, start by soaking your feet in a tub of warm water with a spoonful of our lavender levitate bath salts. The Epsom salt relaxes muscles, coconut oil moisturizes, and lavender relaxes. After soaking, gently scrub away your dead skin with the loofah and exfoliate further with our terracotta body scrub to smooth out and refresh your feet. Rinse and dry your feet, Then massage our Hemply Ever lip balm onto your cuticles for some hydration. And finish it all off by applying some Soak It Up or Rainforest moisturizer to lock in the moisturizer and keep your feet soft and healthy. Light some candles, play some calming music, and soak into the calming atmosphere. A DIY spa is just as indulgent as a regular spa experience, only that it's so much more affordable, comfortable, and sustainable. And lastly, you can consider attending a community event or a festival. Check out listings for events or festivals that are happening in your city. Communities now host free outdoor concerts, markets, art exhibitions, or festivals throughout the year. It's a wonderful way to enjoy something new, explore your town, and all the while spend quality time together. These ideas are just about making memories in a fun and a meaningful way. It allows you to connect and spend time with your partner, all the while living sustainably. So this time around, why not plan a date that's kind to your wallet and the planet? Love can be green too. And with that, we come to the end of this week's episode of Bare Thoughts. And until next time, let's continue making zero waste living the norm and not the exception.